Reyansh, what is this? This is tulsi leaves. Which leaves? Tulsi leaves. Good boy. Let's move on to the next plant. Reyansh, which tree is this?
Papaya.
Yeah, this is papaya leaves. Okay?
Papaya leaf.
Touch the leaves.
Papaya leaf.
Yes, good boy.
देखो
What is this?
cherry leaf.
No, this is banana. Banana tree, and these are banana leaves.
Banana leaf.
Yes. Okay. Reyansh, guess which leaves are these?
Candy leaf.
These are neem leaves. Smell it? Yes, very strong in essence. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Reyansh, guess which leaves are this?
Leaf.
Which leaf?
Leaf.
These are mango leaves. Which leaves?
Mango leaf.
Yes, you enjoy mango fruit, right? These are mango leaves.
Mango leaf.
Yes.
Mango leaf.
Mango leaves.
Mango.
Reyansh, what is this? Which leaf? You have to guess that which leaf this is. These are hibiscus leaves.
Green leaf.
Hibiscus leaves, okay? Yeah, let's move on to the people leaf, okay? Yeah. Reyansh, this is a guava tree, and these are guava leaves, Reyansh. Which leaves? Reyansh, guava. You eat guava in the morning, right? These are guava leaves, okay? What is this, Reyansh? This is a drumstick tree, and these are drumstick leaves. Which leaves? Drumsticks, okay? This is a guava fruit, okay? And this is a guava tree. So you eat guava, and these are which leaves? Guava leaves. Hold this guava. This is a Thai guava, okay? Yes. Reyansh, this is an aloe vera plant, okay? And these are aloe vera leaves. These are very healthy. This is an aloe vera plant, okay? Aloe vera. Yes, you apply aloe vera on your skin, on your hairs, okay? This is very nourishing for your body. Which leaves? Aloe vera leaves, okay? Okay. Not interested. This, which tree is this? Tulsi tree.
स्टार्ट
This papaya tree.
फिर से
Good. इधर पकड़ लो